Hello fellow painters, today we're diving into the vibrant colors of Hammerhal Aqsha as we bring the Relic Envoy to life. We'll also add a touch of mysticism to the model by gilding the sacred Reliquary with 24 carat gold leaves. Emma will guide us through each step and share insights about the model's role in the Cities of Sigmar. Get ready for intriguing revelation about the relic, and don't forget to share your thoughts as we go on this artistic adventure together.
Hey there, I'm Emma. I'll be your narrator on this creative journey. Gilding a miniature model with gold leaves can be a delicate yet rewarding process. We'll guide you through the steps to demonstrate how it can be done. Firstly, we'll gild the specific part of the model we want, deferring the painting of the remaining sections for later. Alternatively, we could choose to partially gild the figurine after completing the painting process. The preparation is straightforward. After assembling, the model is cleaned and primed in black. Ensure the surface intended for gilding is free from dust or debris. Since we're gilding before painting, masking isn't necessary. Additionally, keep in mind that you can always paint over the gold leaves if needed. Apply the gilding adhesive to the chosen areas. This adhesive is specifically designed for this purpose. Use a small brush to achieve precision. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for drying time. The adhesive should become tacky. Using a soft, long-bristled brush, gently lift a gold leaf sheet and place it onto the tacky adhesive. Press down gently with the brush to ensure adhesion. Repeat until the desired areas are covered. Gold leaves are surprisingly affordable. They could be found in art supply or online stores. In our case, we're using 24 karat gold leaves from India. Burnish the gold leaf with a soft brush to smooth out wrinkles or irregularities. Remove excess gold leaf carefully using a soft brush. The gold leaf should only adhere to areas with adhesive. Inspect the gilded areas for touch-ups. You can add more adhesive and gold leaf layers if needed. Note that as you apply and brush off gold leaves, fine particles may scatter. Gold is not toxic, but be prepared to clean up the mess. Once satisfied with the gilding, we apply a clear gloss sealer following product instructions. This adds durability, especially if the model sees battlefield action. Shading can be added for contrast, and if necessary, the gilding can be painted over. However, it's advisable to seal the gilding before shading or painting over to prevent any risk of peeling off the gold. Now that the model is gilded to our liking, we're ready for the next step. Let's paint! In the vast tapestry of the free guilds, the Relic Envoys play a distinctive role. Chosen from the elite, these are not mere squires but the finest of a new generation of free guilders. Tasked with a formidable duty, they serve as devoted attendants to the revered marshals of the free guilds. In the crucible of battle, these brave Relic Envoys undertake perilous missions, risking life and limb to carry crucial orders. Beyond their martial duties, they bear unique connection to their ancestral roots, often carrying morbid yet revered mementos, such as the hauntingly morose mummified heads of ancestors. Laden with artifacts passed down through their family lines, these ancestral relics are said to whisper sagacious advice or share amusing and embarrassing anecdotes from the storied past. In the heart of the battlefield, where bravery is tested and legacies are forged, the Relic Envoys stand as a testament to both duty and lineage, weaving the intricate threads of their family's history into the very fabric of the free guilds. Among the Relic Envoys, a famous story warns that it is better to be prepared to face danger, but also to be wary of those who cry wolves for fear of making a mistake if we let ourselves be guided by our fears. As the Relic Envoys stand on the precipice of history, their duty intertwined with the macabre tales of ancestors, it becomes clear that the past is not only a guide but also a mirror reflecting the shadows that linger within. Now let's uncover a narrative that blurs the lines between ancient mysticism and the present reality of the free guilds. This eerie relic, passed down through generations, not only whispers of eldritch pacts and impending reckonings but also harbors a twist of dark humor that defies the ominous nature of its revelations. In the heart of battle, where the threads of duty and legacy intertwine, the Relic Envoys find themselves facing not only the specters of the past but also the unexpected irony woven into the fabric of their ancestral tapestry. In the dimly lit corridors of time, the haunting tale of the mummified head relic echoes through the generations of the Relic Envoys. Passed down as both a sacred artifact and an eerie burden, this particular ancestral memento harbors a story that chills the marrow. Long ago, in an age veiled in shadows, the head belonged to a revered ancestor known for a life shrouded in mysticism and clandestine dealings, Lucius Veilbinder. Lucius had dabbled in forbidden arts and communed with dark entities. As the mummified head found its way into the hands of a relic envoy, the once muted whispers of the ancients transformed into spine-tingling revelations. In the dead of night, the head would awaken, its desiccated lips parting to reveal tales of eldritch pacts and forbidden knowledge. Its eyes, though vacant, gleamed with spectral luminescence as it recounted chilling visions from beyond the veil. The Relic Envoy, bound by duty and perhaps a tinge of ancestral curiosity, listened in horrified fascination as the head spoke of an impending, otherworldly reckoning. Caught between duty and a mounting sense of dread, the Relic Envoy grappled with the eerie revelations. The mummified head's tales painted a picture of a looming darkness that threatened not just the free guilds but the very fabric of reality itself. Yet, in a twist that defied the macabre nature of the narrative, the mummified head concluded its spectral monologue with an unexpected punchline. With a dry, mirthless chuckle, it admitted to having once been a notorious prankster in its mortal life, orchestrating bizarre and embarrassing antics that became the stuff of legend. And so the Relic Envoy found themselves torn between terror and a reluctant amusement. As the mummified head continued to share its spectral tales, it left the Relic Envoy with a peculiar blend of fear, reverence, and an unexpected appreciation for the ironic humor woven into the fabric of their familial legacy. In the secretive realm of the Relic Envoys, training is a blend of martial prowess and mystical insight. These elite squires undergo rigorous rituals, mastering not only the art of combat but also attuning themselves to the ancient energies that flow through their ancestral relics. Some tell of initiation ceremonies held in hidden sanctuaries, where the echoes of past Relic Envoys guide the novices through mystical trials that forge an unbreakable connection to their family's legacy. As the Relic Envoys progress in their training, they develop remarkable skills that set them apart on the battlefield. Whispers in the Free Guild speak of an envoy who could navigate the chaos of battle with an almost supernatural intuition, anticipating the ebb and flow of combat with uncanny precision. Another tale tells of an envoy who harnessed the ancestral energy within their relic to create a protective aura, shielding allies from harm. These extraordinary accomplishments on the battlefield have become legendary, inspiring awe and respect among fellow Freeguilders. The Relic Envoys, it seems, are not only bearers of their family's history but also masters of a unique and potent craft. In the midst of their perilous missions, the Relic Envoys also find moments of camaraderie and shared laughter. Far from the stoic image one might imagine, they've been known to indulge in light-hearted banter and jests, forming a bond that transcends duty. These moments of levity, however brief, become cherished memories that echo through the corridors of time alongside the weighty tales of their ancestral relics. As the Relic Envoys navigate the battlefield, it's not uncommon to witness them drawing upon the wisdom of their relics in unexpected ways. Some recount stories of envoys consulting their ancestral mementos for strategic guidance, as if the spirits of their forebears lend a spectral hand in the chaos of combat. These instances, though mysterious, only add to the aura of the Relic Envoys as enigmatic figures capable of weaving the ethereal into the practicalities of war. In the grand tapestry of the free guilds, the Relic Envoys emerge not just as dutiful warriors but as living conduits between the past and the present, wielding ancestral relics that transcend the mundane and delve into the extraordinary. Their stories, a blend of martial valor, mystic insight, and unexpected moments of camaraderie, paint a vivid portrait of a unique and captivating aspect of the Free Guild's history. We trust you've been enjoying the video thus far. If so, a like would mean the world to us. And if you haven't already, consider smashing that subscribe button. Our journey to the 1,000 subscriber milestone is still ongoing, and your unwavering support is the cornerstone of our progress. It fuels our motivation and fortifies our creative spirit. Thank you for being a vital part of our community. Feel free to share your thoughts on the video in the comments. Your feedback is invaluable as we continually strive to enhance each new episode. For those seeking top-notch tools and materials to achieve their creative endeavors, Fenris Workshop is a hidden gem for hobby enthusiasts. Uncover the link and additional details in the video description and enjoy your crafting journey. Our Relic Envoy has fulfilled its duty and joined the Martial and the Free Guild Steel Helms. We hope we've sparked your creativity and the idea of gilding part of the model to add a personalized touch resonated with you. In our upcoming installment of the Cities of Sigmar series, we'll be assembling and basing the Radiant Alchemite Warforger. Thanks for joining us today. And as always, keep on painting and take care.